Everybody, Mr. Seekid here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be reacting to two videos on the differences between American trucking and Australian trucking. And also these videos are all just engine brake videos. Jake brake, it's also known as jake braking. But today this video, by the name of the channel, I'm assuming most of this, like the recording of this video, is in Wisconsin. So start in America. And then I'm going to show you other clips of Australian trucking. So American trucking versus Australian trucking. Alright, I'm only going to play snippets because the whole video is 12 minutes and I just want to get into it immediately. Alright, let's go. Right, come on. Alright, and also I'm going to leave my mic on to just talk and see what's going on. Okay, so I see this bin truck, this blue bin truck. Let's see what brand this is. I'm assuming that's international. We don't have any internationals here in Australia, but we do have bin trucks really similar to this. Also, this is a Peterbilt, I can just tell by the nose. So we don't have that much Peterbilts here in Australia either. But we do have like trucks like this driving around. But here in Australia we have way more bigger trucks than that. This sounds pretty good. Nice jake brake. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Seems to be a Kenworth. Oh well, that's loud. That's very deep. It's like a very deepish, high-pitched noise. But yeah, all right. So this street design, I know that they drive on the different side of the road. They drive on. Okay, so they drive on the right side. We drive on the left. All of this, like the truck that is in this part. What is that? What type of truck is that? We don't have, whatever, so there's an American flag on that. These types of trailers and trucks we don't really have in Australia. That's like a North American type of design. Because like we have a different suited trucks for our climate and all kinds of other stuff, because like we have harder roads and they're more designed for like highways and straight routes because they have more like highways and just straighter roads. This looks all around the world. This will look very similar to this on highways. Oh, a Freightliner in the back of the Peterbilt. Lovely engine brake. I'll put all the links of these videos in my description, so if you want to go check these out without my voice, and you can just go and do that. Oh, that truck looks nice. Nice truck. Oh, Western Star. Oh, that's, yeah, pretty good. Oh, that yellow truck looks nice. Oh, the first cab over. It's an old one. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. Oh yeah, so these types of trailers, we have a different type of crating system. So like our crates, we call these crates, but like they look way more different to whatever like these like what is that? It looks like a fence, like or like like a cheese grater. Like it looks like one of those, but like we don't Troy's. So this is the trailer, the company name. Like we don't have trailers that look like this. Truck looks the same. Like we got massive bull bar. But yeah, we don't have like these cheese graters types of cattle or like sheep trailers, pigs, whatever you stick into them. I think they even do chickens. Alright. I'm going to find another video and react to that. Alright, so I found a video of the Aussie trucks. So this is now onto the Aussie trucks, and this we have like in that video we just saw of the American trucks, there was barely any cab over designs. But this is a Kenworth cab over, which I've heard you guys don't have too many cab overs left, especially like just generally any cab overs, but we have European, Asian, and American cab overs here in Australia. Alright, let's watch this video, and this is not an engine brake video, this is just a video of trucks. So this looks like somewhere on the east coast, maybe inland, I don't know, but like on some highway somewhere. It's because it's very shrubby and green. Now we're back to the outback. Alright, so I mentioned earlier that cheese grater type of trailer. This is an Australian cattle truck. And like, there's 3 trailers here. That's insane, especially from where I am. We do have 3 trailer trucks in my area, but we have to go a bit out west. So this is not a cheese grater. This is like a fence type of thing, and like this one is a bit different. That's the same. Like this is what we have here in Australia for our cattle trucks. Oh, there's a Peterbilt. Oh, here's an engine brake. I can't tell if it's a Peterbilt or a Kenworth. I don't rarely see Peterbilts. These are probably just like special sightings. Zoom in on that. Oh, looks like a Kenworth, but could be a Peterbilt. The Peterbilts have a different, like a boxy nose compared to the Kenworths and Freightliners. A truck carrying an old steam locomotive husk. That's like a high hood Kenworth. very high nose. I don't know what model is that. That could be a T909, but I'm pretty sure I'm wrong. I might be right. I can't tell. Then we have this old Mack truck right here. So these are the European trucks, cabovers I was talking about. I know you Americans have like Volvo, like a Volvo like traditional cab, but like most of our Volvos are just cabovers. Here's just another one of the Kenworth cabovers. It's very green for where they are over there, like these green hills and stuff. Wonder where it is. That's like an old Ford with on the trailer, and then we got a Mack and oh, nothing else. Okay. That looks like a T909. It's only that, but it could be different. So that's like all like, you know, like that truck that we saw at the very start of the video, that bin truck that came past. Look very similar. What looks like a convoy coming in. Alright, one more clip, then we'll wrap up the video. That's a tow truck. Peterbilt tow truck. The last Peterbilt I saw on the highway was probably a few weeks ago. Alright, we'll wrap up the video right after we see this truck. White. What's white? Never heard of it. Alright. I'll wrap up the video here at about 14 minutes. Yeah, that's all I needed. Like, I just wanted to like film it, just make a video. Haven't been posting that much, so just like wanted to make a little fun video. Yeah, that's all from me. I'll see you guys later. Bye.